Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how you can use lemon balm and rosemary for oily skin. The lemon balm has been known since ancient times for its healing properties. It is also known as the student herb because many students use it for brain fog, memory loss, and concentration. This herb is mainly used for its anti-anxiety and calming effects. But very few people know that this herb can be used topically on your skin. And if you are suffering from oily skin, then this herb will be a boon for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Lemon balm contains high levels of rosmarinic acid. This compound is responsible for controlling sebum production on the skin. Sebum is an oil produced by your body that keeps your skin and hair nourished. But sometimes due to hormonal imbalance or stress, overproduction of sebum can lead to clogged pores, oily skin, etc. Lemon balm controls the sebum production, thereby reducing the chances of getting pimples. Also, it has antifungal properties which help in treating fungal acne. So if you want to reduce the oiliness of your skin, then using lemon balm can be a great option. The next ingredient for today's face mask is rosemary. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Due to these properties, it helps in treating acne and other infections caused by bacteria or fungus. The antibacterial properties of rosemary can also control sebum production on the skin. In a study conducted in 2013, it was found that rosemary essential oil can reduce sebum production up to 72%. So as we have seen, both lemon balm and rosemary have the same effect on our skin. That's why I have combined both of these ingredients for making today's face mask. So let's see how to make this face mask. To make this face mask, you will need fresh leaves of lemon balm and rosemary. If you don't find fresh leaves, then you can even use their essential oils. To make the face mask more effective, I have added fuller's earth, also called as bentonite clay. This clay has the ability to absorb excess oil and dirt from the skin. So overall, this face mask will be very helpful for people with oily skin. Let's see how to make this face mask. Take a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoonful of fresh lemon balm leaves in it. You can add more leaves if you want to make the face mask for the whole face. In this, add 1 tablespoonful of fresh rosemary leaves. After that, add 1 tablespoonful of fuller's earth or bentonite clay. Now start mixing all these ingredients well so that the mixture looks uniform. At this point, if you want, you can add some water and mix it well. The consistency of this mixture should not be too runny. It should be just right, like how we make face masks. After making the face mask, apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's dried, wash it off with plain water and then apply your moisturizer. You can use this face mask once in a week for best results. You can also make variations of this face mask by adding different ingredients according to your skin type. If you have dry skin, then you can add 1 tablespoon of honey in this face mask. Honey keeps your skin hydrated. You can also add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera pulp to make the skin complexion even tone and get rid of acne scars. If you have sensitive skin, then avoid using this face mask. So now we have seen how we can use lemon balm and rosemary for oily skin. Let's discuss the benefits of lemon balm and rosemary. Lemon balm is a herb that belongs to the mint family. Its scientific name is Melissa officinalis. It has pleasant minty smell and leathery texture. From ancient times, this herb is being used for various medicinal purposes. Lemon balm contains many beneficial compounds such as rosmarinic acid, caffeic acid, triterpenoid, flavonoids, etc. These compounds have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, etc. properties. Lemon balm has been proven to reduce anxiety and stress. It can improve mood and sleep quality. It has been found that lemon balm can reduce the symptoms of cold sores. It also improves memory and brain functions. Lemon balm is also helpful in getting rid of acne scars. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of lemon balm are responsible for all these benefits. The next ingredient for today's face mask is rosemary. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Due to these properties, it helps in treating acne and other infections caused by bacteria or fungus. The antibacterial properties of rosemary can also control sebum production. As we have seen earlier, sebum is an oil produced by the body that keeps your skin and hair nourished. But sometimes due to hormonal imbalance or stress, overproduction of sebum can lead to clogged pores, oily skin, etc. The antifungal properties of rosemary can treat fungal acne. It can also reduce dandruff. Rosemary also has antioxidant properties due to which it reduces the signs of aging. Along with these benefits, rosemary has also been found to reduce hair loss. As we have seen, lemon balm and rosemary both have so many health benefits. So this makes our face mask more effective. Now let's see how you can use lemon balm and rosemary for hair care. For this, you will need fresh rosemary leaves and lemon balm leaves. Take 1 cup of hot water in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary leaves and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon balm leaves in it. Let it steep for 1 hour. After that, strain this water, and this is how your hair tonic is ready. You can store this in the refrigerator for future use. Before using, give it a good shake. Now let's see how to use this hair tonic. Take 2 to 3 teaspoons of this hair tonic and massage it on your scalp for 5 minutes. Keep this for 30 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. You can use this hair tonic once in a week. This hair tonic can improve blood circulation on the scalp. This will bring all the essential nutrients to your hair follicles and your hair will become stronger and healthier. It also prevents hair loss. The antimicrobial properties of this hair tonic kill the fungus and bacteria that causes dandruff. This will keep your scalp clean and healthy. Along with these benefits, it has also been found that lemon balm and rosemary can improve the growth of new hair. You can also use this hair tonic as a leave-in conditioner. If your hair is very dry, then you can add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil in this hair tonic and use it as a leave-in conditioner. Now let's see what are the side effects of using lemon balm and rosemary. Generally, lemon balm and rosemary are safe for most of the people, but there are some exceptions. Avoid applying lemon balm and rosemary on your skin if you have sensitive skin. It may cause redness, itching, irritation, etc. on your skin. Some people may be allergic to lemon balm and rosemary. So before applying it on your skin, always do a patch test on your hand. If you experience any kind of redness, itching, irritation, etc., then don't use it further. Lemon balm and rosemary can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headache, etc. if consumed in large amounts. So these were the ways on how you can use lemon balm and rosemary for oily skin. I hope you liked this video. Please share this video with your friends and family. If you have any queries, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.